up? Welcome my new channel video. Continue video, right? And so today it's gonna be much boring for that person. There's some people like comments to me. So one only. They said, "Do you want to blow it a balloon, please?" They said, "Yeah, I did mean that." So I kind of balloon. I'm so scary. It's beautiful for day for that, but I guess what? This is most people like it. So now we'll be going to blow up this one. It I love you balloon. It's like a 12 inches balloons. Cortex. It's much I buy the shopping. Just like that. I just what I'm going to do is because sometimes I'm really so much good. I blow it balloon as much as I can, but it's famously or people like famously. Anyways, like the soft dance. So before I going to blow this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on notification the squad guys. If you guys need about to do, tell me on comment section below if you subscribe button. Also check out my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, like feature on YouTubers in number one. You like my video, it's okay. So we'll be going to blow it. This one. It's like I love you balloon. So this is gonna be the scientist to get test. So we're gonna test it. How much is possible to bigger to blow it the balloon. So I'm gonna pop the balloon as fast as I can. Let's see. Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Never baby. So we're gonna blow up balloon as fast as I can to pop the balloon. And I guess you will see how much I balloon the pops, and we did about that. So here we go. Oh, sorry. So we'll be going to blow it. This one, I love you. Just like a balloon, pink. So yeah, we're gonna pop it the balloon as fast as I can. It's just like scientists, guys. Get what this balloon. This is a Cortex truck balloon. So let's try this. Please don't try this at home, okay? Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. That's really good. Let's check the video. Slow motion. Oh my god. Oh yeah, there's some kinds and it's not louder. I guess you with one only with a balloon, like yellow. It's like Cortex becomes a balloon pop, but I guess you should be to know it. So here we go. So one more, ready is ready. Don't try this enough, okay? Oh, alright. I think a smaller sometimes expired. It's coming. Expired. Alright. This time it's gonna fail it. I guess the balloon is blow it pop. So let's go do it. This is yellow trap Cortex balloon. Don't try this at home, okay? Here we go. think that's it. This balloon is kind of pop because expired. So yeah, let's try do this. Alright, so we're going to blow it like a little balloon. We're gonna try it and see what happens. Don't try this enough, okay? Oh my god, the some kind pop. I didn't listen to the pop. There was a squishy. So now this is the last balloon last. I think it's someone end, but here we go. Woo! Oh my god! Wow! That was kind of pop! Woo! That was louder. Let's go in the clip. Slow motion. Oh my. Wow, that was frustrating. One, it's like my bare face, but it's kind of dangerous. The scientists, just like scientists, but I popped the balloon. It's just like the balloon. It's like a biting ant, just like that. But I blow balloon. Something I tried that the balloon popped. Straw cortex. It's very good for that. So let's see chicken or what. As you can see, there was a stick type of balloon. Look at that, they make a pop. But so much good, especially good. It's very good for that balloon pop, but trumpet cheese is not dangerous. But it's a 24 cortex, it's like dangerously. So be careful for that. There was a yellow balloon, look at that. It was like a pop the balloon. I got the nails. I got the nails there. Oh my god, it's stronger with a strip for that. I mean, it's like this. Oh my god, there was much you get. I don't think it was so bad. This is bad time. There's a yellow. That's like a yellow balloon pop. But it's my kind of good. Yeah, that's it. Yellow. I love you for balloon 24 cortex. It's not called 24 cortex. It's just the 12 cortex there only. So be sure, thank you for that. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching on this video. I hope you like my video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn on notification to support guys. If you guys didn't know what to do, turn me on, comment section below if you subscribe button, and also the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Don't forget the social media like future YouTubers in #1. ASEAN. I know, it's ASEAN. You know what, I blow it balloon. And sometimes I'm very thank you so much to 100. That's like 124 subscribers, but it's not the end. It's not. Please subscribe now and like my video. It's also good. So thank you guys so much for watching on this video, and see you guys in the next videos. Peace out. Woo!